This is Clayton Bennett. Today is the 10th of July, 2026, and today I want to talk to you about this program, Copy-N-Launch-XLSX, which we can call the big green button. What I really want to stress today is when in doubt, hit the big green button. So notice I don't have a spreadsheet open on my computer. Boom. It's going to launch today's spreadsheet. Now this is what you would expect to see if it's right at midnight and I want to start a new file. It's going to be totally blank. I can start putting in data. I can hit the save button up here. If that's not shown, if for some reason you don't see the ribbon, there's a save button right here. There's also a save button right here, or you can always hit Control S. What I'm doing is I'm holding the control button with my pinky and I'm hitting the letter S. Great, I've saved it. Once I've saved it, I can close the file. This will open it again. It's associated with today's date, so it's taking a blank template file, which we should never edit or open directly. Please always use the big green button to open the file. That way we know that we get the right date in the file name. The date ends up here inside the file. We get a fresh data sheet every day. There's absolutely no reason to have to delete old data to make room for new data like we used to do. If it's between 11 p.m. and 12 a.m. and you want to go ahead and open the spreadsheet for tomorrow, you can hit Open File for Tomorrow. Great. When in doubt, hit the big green button. Now I want to show you where these files actually live. I think it'll be okay to tell you guys there's some risk associated with showing you how the sausage is made, but it's going to be okay. So when I hit Show Filled Files, these are the files we've made. Now these two that I just made, these are samples. I'm working on my laptop right now. This is not the operator computer, so all these have just been samples as I've been developing this small piece of software. So let me show you what happens. So today's the 10th, open spreadsheet for today. I get a message, new file created, because one doesn't exist. And now, hey, there it is. That's the new file I created. It went ahead and applied today's date. No trouble. I can start putting in data. I hit save, enable saving, enable editing. Hey, I'm working. We're good to go. When it's time to print the sheet, you only have to print this page. You don't need to print the others. All the data that's necessary is going to end up over here. Here's a little how-to page. This says that pink and green cells don't need to be edited directly. There's no reason to edit pink cells because they have an equation that's working. There's a function, a formula. The green cells, same thing. Don't edit them directly, but the green cells show which ones end up over here on the print page. So you can always close spreadsheets safely. When in doubt, close it out. If you see the spreadsheet up from yesterday, no real reason to leave it open. Go ahead and close it out. And if you walk in and the spreadsheet's not open, hit the green button. If you have reason to believe that someone has already started the spreadsheet, or even if you need to start a new one, hit the green button. There is that edge case for if you need to start a new spreadsheet for tomorrow, if you're here at shift change for 11 p.m. to 7 a.m., you can hit Open File for Tomorrow. But otherwise, hit the green button. Launch Configured Website actually shows us where the files go in the SharePoint. And so for the people who are on the shifts that generally print these things, you can use that to show the SharePoint where files end up. And you can say Show Filled Files to show the files that already exist. And then when you're printing a finished spreadsheet, you can also take a finished spreadsheet and drag it over. I'm not going to replace it, but if you'd updated the spreadsheet and there was any missing data, you could hit replace. And what would happen is it would keep the old one and track the new one. So I can see version history where this thing has been actually updated multiple times. Uh-oh, that's not good. Okay, good. We're in business. Okay, thank you for your time. Thanks for watching. When in doubt, hit the big green button.